Ngiyakugcina qiniso. Awazi wena uyiqini.
Today I'm going to open up on page 100. Who's going to read for us?
Miss.
My dear.
Zimbabwe was no
Machazan.
I President Tabula Zimbabwe.
go busy.
I love you, Gretiasi.
No way, President.
I'm a poor of fun.
My dear. Where did you get this book? This is not the right book.
What am I doing? We'll go home and go poison to
My dear, I told you that I must go to a reputable shop and buy that book.
Hey, we tell you value.
My dear.
Can you go?
Go and buy this book.
Kadis.
Yes. Sukuma my dear.
Imagine.
Sukuma my dear. Let me book. Machazan, read for us.
Herodias danced and pleased the king. Herod Okida. Because he has a
Hello.
Hello, Mama.
Kunjani?
Ngiyachisa.
Aha.
Manje ngifuna ukulivuka.
Okulibhuku.
Yeah.
Awufike kahle lapha ekhaya.
Ya, lapha siyafunda lapha umisi manje ya.
Kuyafundeka kodwa.
Hayi kwenza.
Bhadala i-4 cash swipe siyathatha konke. Alright.
Mina uqina qiniso yona. Ukuthi iqiniso uqina. Akugcina zibizibi qiniso.
For audiobooks, iyanqokwa Dingani Bookshop and Stationery. Bringing literature closer to the community.